got money, so that's a good enough reason to buy the things I buy. I'm so high.
I better not.
He's going to your side day, ask him if he knows what cheese station Just ask anybody.
Just ask these people down here towards the end. Just ask these people right here. Ask loud.
Hey, do you guys want to see something cool while you wait?
Say it again.
You guys want to hear something cool while you wait?
Ask him.
Is there a train station around here, sir?
A what?
A train station?
I have no idea, man.
Alright.
Really? Really?
Really?
You're recording. Say, excuse me.
Excuse me! Excuse me! Have you guys seen the Black Friday train?
What?
The Black Friday train! What's your hand?
My fault.
Yeah.
Was you scared?
Did you hear it? They don't care.
You guys doing a sale here?
What?
They doing a sale here?
Yeah. 5 o'clock.
Has the Black Friday train came yet? Ask him. Ask him.
You guys want to hear something cool while you wait?
Suck a dick,
I'm so fly. I got money, so that's a good enough reason to buy the things I buy. I'm so